Welcome back. In an important decision, Goa government has extended ESG CEO Manoj Shrivastava's contract on Thursday. His contract had ended on June 22nd. Information Department issued an extension order to Shrivastava till 31st of December. On the other side, Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar attended meeting in Delhi regarding IFFI.
Amidst all opposition and controversy surrounding the current ESG CEO, Manoj Shrivastava has been given extension till 31st December. His contract culminated on 22nd June. There were indications that government might not continue with Manoj's services. But this decision by the government set aside all the rumours that Shrivastava would be replaced by IFFI Director Shankar Mohan. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar and Chief Secretary Sanjay Shrivastava held a meeting with the Minister for Information and Broadcasting Ambika Soni on Thursday. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Garbage issue in Panji has popped up yet again. Heaps of garbage are lying unattended in the city. Sources say that this mess has aggravated as a result of local politicos denying garbage dumping at Talegaon Plateau. Mayor says CCP has been somehow managing garbage treatment within the city for past almost a year. This is happening in the capital city where Mayor Vaidehi is completing 100 days of her regime. Watch this report.
Have a look at the unattended garbage in the capital city. Incessant rains have worsened the situation. Pedestrians and the businessmen in the city have to face the problem and inconvenience. Sources say that politicos from Talegaon have objected to dumping of garbage at Talegaon Plateau. CCP has also stopped the collection of garbage from Talegaon. When questioned the mayor, this is how she reacted.
Talegaon ते dumping zones बंद जावपाचें कारण कितें आशिल्लें?
ते उत्तर हांव दिवंक शकना कित्याक कन्सर्न मनीस जाणें बंद केला ताजे कडेन हाजें उत्तर आसा.
However, on the completion of 100 days as mayor, Vaidehi Naik says that CCP somehow manages to treat the city garbage. She feels it would have been better if CCP's site at Baingini was ready for garbage treatment.
ट्रीट करपाक जर आमकां सायट मेळिल्ली बांयगिणी कोर्ट ऑर्डरा प्रमाणे जर आमकां मेळिल्ली पूण तो पॉलिटिकल विशय जावन गेलो आनी ताका लागून हांगा जे पणजेंकूच वेवस्था करप ही तितली पळयल्यार तितली सोपी नाशिल्ली वेवस्था आनी पावस लागिल्ल्यान ती तो विशयूय मातसो तीव्र जालो. फक्त कितें आसा आमकां सिटीनूच कशें मॅनेज करप हो प्रश्न आशिल्ल्यान त्याच भशेन आमकां टायमूय शॉर्ट मेळ्ळा. आमी मशिनां ऑर्डर करतात, ट्रक ऑर्डर करतात, अशें करून ती मातशी मिसमॅनेजमेंट जाला आनी काही जाग्यार तो हें जाला पूण आमी इमिजिएट मेजर्स घेतिल्लीं आसात.
Meanwhile, volunteers from Kalangut and Salegaon held a cleanliness drive from Kalangut Church to Salegaon Junction. They say cleanliness should start from home. Our reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte with video journalist Onkar Farari and Nidha Sadekar.
State administration has partially lifted ban on transportation of ore in South Goa. Transportation of washed ore or lumps has been allowed. South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal has partially modified the initial order banning ore transportation in the three talukas of Sangay, Kepe and Darbandada. He has also laid down various conditions while allowing relaxation in the ban.
Mining company and other stakeholder also affected, they come with a certain representation. They say it will create a problem of the unemployment in the area. If the company has been closed down, there also unemployment, truck owner association come, employment problem, including some of the panchayats taken the resolution and requesting to lift the ban. As the safety of the people is a priority, after considering all the officers and the stakeholders, we have done little modifications.
However, this relaxation is subject to conditions. Collector has warned that if the conditions are found violated within first fortnight, the decision will be revoked.
If you go into some transportation, you have to give me details, how many trucks you are going to transport. I put a condition, roads should not be dirty, they have to clean the wheels of the tires of the trucks. And during the school time, there should not be any transportation. And I will issue the permission only for 15 days. In 15 days, if they do well without any problem, it can be renewed. If we found any condition has been violated, we will not allow.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Goa is the first state in India to commission settlement and land records online. Log on to Dharnaksh's website and you can view the details of your land. You can view your land records from any corner of the world. It was commissioned by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and Revenue Minister Francis D'Souza on Wednesday.
Yes. Now, this is our website, Dharnaksha. This has got the updated land records. That means the latest data is available, the partition property. Now, this is the extraction. We are going to do an extraction and show you.
It is initially available in which area?
The whole of Goa. You can extract anything from any part of Goa. Now, sir, see, this is the extraction of this parcel of property of Siridama 33-1. Now, this particular property is under partition.
We were the first to be on the calendar of rural development agencies. Well, inaugurating it. Across India, we were the first one to have complete survey records on the computer. This is also first in India.
This is a good news for the NRIs and people who travel abroad. They can keep a track of their land data, complaints, records and any information. You can also access the land data and get printouts, which can be used as authorized documents for specific purpose.
सबन लँड रेकॉर्ड जो हा 114 फॉर्म आणि सर्वे प्लॅन बरोबर आयज कोणानी खंयसरी रावन ते पळोवया आता म्हणजे आख्या जगान.
You pay that postage charge, courier charges, you will get it by post. First one is you can take the extract, but it is not certified.
Yeah, I would add to that. The first one, you can take the extract and come to the office and get it certified free of cost.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.